IRS Form 8822 is a single-page document used to notify the Internal Revenue Service of a change to your home mailing address. Click the link in the description to start filling out your form right away. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of Form 8822 that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. To do so, open the form in the editor and start filling out the fields that apply to you. Check the boxes on lines 1 and 2 that correspond to your circumstances. Provide your name, your social security number, your spouse's name and social security number, your prior names, your spouse's prior names, your old address, your spouse's previous address, and your new address. In the case of a joint return, your spouse should sign and date the document as well. Once every field has been completed and checked off, date and sign your Form 8822 directly in the pdfFiller editor. Click Done to save the changes you've made and choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.